Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today what will we do?
We will do a short interview about
Yeah.
SMP IDN.
That's kind of the part of the last project, yeah, the
Yes,
final
final
project
project.
of 9th grade. So we will do, what is that? Interview.
Interview.
So in this interview, just do a casual interview, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't too formal. Okay, just enjoy it. So I will have some question for you, Elang. So I hope that you can answer it in detail, yeah.
All right.
So let's go to the first question that I want to ask you. That is about yourself. So please tell me about yourself in detail, yeah. Okay, you
So
can answer it.
for myself, I was a person that was always be spirit for learning a new lesson. So when there is something new, like in IT, maybe about Flutter or making robot, I always spirit to make the project until it's finished. So when I have some project, so I will make it finish, and I will do it until finish. And then
Okay.
When there is something that wrong, I ready for make it uh, uh, what's it?
What? Make it
uh,
what?
make it make it the something that wrong is make it better.
Okay.
Yeah,
Fix it.
yeah, fix it. Yeah,
Okay.
I will fix it.
But still in the same point. So could you tell me about your weakness maybe?
My weakness,
Do you have weakness?
of
Of course
of
you
course,
have,
yeah.
right?
So my weakness is I always forget when there is something that important.
No, easy to forget.
Yeah, easy to forget
Yeah.
because in again we have so much activity, right? So sometimes I will forget that actually important task that which is maybe like project or something else that important to that's actually I have to do. Uh, so yeah, I sometimes forget it for do another task.
Okay, good. So do you have the way to solve it?
For now, I using a platform that name Notion, so that can remind me about my activities, like maybe for the soft the project that. So at the platform, I can set the date. So maybe at this date, I have to finish this project and blah 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 project. Yeah.
Oh, that's one great way. So do you also do writing?
Writing,
Yeah, the important things when
the
you need it.
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
When sometimes we in here taking laptop maybe just around 8 until 14, right?
Yeah.
So when my important task is still not yet done, I will write it in on my book or
Notepad.
in my notepad.
Oh.
So I will uh, write the something less in my project.
Okay, great,
Yeah.
Telang. So except easy to forget, do you have another weakness?
My weakness, wait,
Forget. Maybe
that's the always that happens sih for
just that, yeah.
yeah.
For it common
Yeah.
happen to your life. So let's go to the first to the
Second.
next point, yeah. The next point, it's about your skill. Do you have skill before coming to EDN? And could you explain it
What is
more?
the specific skill?
Free, maybe.
If in IT,
Yeah,
before
can be lesson, can be another. Yeah.
when maybe I just will explain it more at IT. So
Yeah.
if in IT at elementary school, I have learned actually about the Scratch in here, but I just learn for the basic at uh, at fifth grade.
Hmm.
So I learning just for the basic, and then at elementary I learning about the robotics too, but just like basic robotic, I have joined the extracurricular for robotic, so I have some little skill before I was joining in the IDN.
Oh, so you are so interested with the robotic, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
actually, yeah, that's one of the reason why I enter the IDN.
IDN, yeah. Okay, great. From that answer, I'm gonna ask you about robotic maybe. So, what is the hardest thing
This thing,
from your learning about robotic maybe?
so the lesson of the robotic is
Yeah.
like robotic from Lego. So I
Hmm.
have to
Yeah, I see.
build it first, and then I code it. And one of the hardest is for the building, because I just uh, love the coding one.
Yeah.
That's the one that I focus. So when there is an exam for the building of the robot, my not too good lah. My
Yeah, I
feeling.
see, I see.
Yes.
So building something is, I think, more complicated, yeah,
Yeah.
than
Then the coding.
yeah, than coding
Yeah.
even. So, uh, the next question is about what do you think about EDN lesson? EDN lesson, is that worth it for everyone or for basic learner
Yeah.
from zero maybe?
Of
Yeah,
course. Yeah.
you can explain it.
That's if we enter the IDN, the lesson is worth it because based on my experience from the IT, English, and linear. From the IT, yeah, of course, before with my skills, for now I've been learning much from the coding, the design, making website. So I have upgraded my skill gradually, and then for the English, actually, my English still not too good, like you can see in the interview, but that's I think more better when I was in elementary school, because when at elementary school I really cannot speak English at all. And my vocab just little.
Okay,
Yeah.
talking about the lesson, we have talked about IT from the first last time, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna ask you, what about the Dinia and also English lesson here
Okay.
in IDN?
So
Exactly.
for me, the English one, that's a good one, because we here every day have to speak English, so we can train more our English skills, because there's so much my friend before that they cannot speak English, very cannot, so they train in here until they to be expert in here for the English,
So
until they
because
can.
become the daily routine.
Yes, and then they and my friend have been winning the Olympiad and at the English Olympiad.
Oh, okay, great. So the last question is about IDN also, Erlang. Erlang. So the question is, I think it's not kind of question. So
That's
could you give the word for IDN? Maybe comment or
yeah.
message maybe?
So my comment for event, actually, maybe for the curriculum, it's have very great, because yeah, that's
We just focus on not too much lesson, yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
because
We just
we
focus on 3 lessons.
yes, 3 lessons at the IT and English and linear,
Yeah.
and Tafis at the dormitory time, and which is that can make the student make it better for the English and linear and IT also.
Great.
And for the Tafis, based on my experience too, because at uh, at my elementary school, I just uh, I just memorize one, maybe like a half juice, but in here I've been memorized like two juice. So it grown goodly.
Okay, great answer, Elang. So because the time is up, thank you for your time
Yes,
for doing this project. Yeah. So I hope
of course.
you can enjoy everything and every time. Yeah. So everywhere that you want to spend. Okay. Thank you for today. We will close our interview with hamdalah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. So
Assalamualaikum
wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.